In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Xero demo company, which is an essential skill for those of you looking to refresh your practice environment easily. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log in to your Xero account. If you haven't done this in a while, you'll need your email and password, so make sure you have them handy. Once you've successfully logged into the platform, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice a tab labeled Company. Click on this tab, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you'll want to choose My Xero. Now, here's a little tip for you. If you find yourself being taken directly to an organization's dashboard instead of the My Xero page, don't worry. This can happen, particularly if you have frequent access to a specific organization's workspace. To navigate from the dashboard to the intended section, you'll want to click on the organization's name. This should present you with a list of options from which you'll select My Xero. Let's move forward to finding the Demo Company section. If you are someone who has access to multiple organizations within Xero, it can be a bit daunting at first. You might need to scroll down through your list of organizations to locate this section. Don't rush through this. Take your time to ensure you're in the right spot. Once you've found the Demo Company section, you should see a button labeled Reset next to it. Clicking this button is your next step. But before you proceed, be sure this is what you want to do. Resetting the demo company will remove all existing data, allowing you to start anew. If you're sure you're ready to proceed, go ahead and click Reset. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking you to confirm your request. At this point, you'll need to click Reset Demo to finalize the process. It's always a good idea to double-check your actions here, especially since you're essentially wiping the demo slate clean. Once this is completed, the demo company will reset, which will give you a fresh environment to experiment with, run tests, or explore Xero's features without affecting any real accounts. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to reset your Xero demo company. Keep in mind that practicing in a demo environment is a great way to build your confidence and become more comfortable with Xero's powerful suite of tools. Hopefully, you found this walkthrough clear and helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.